Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I like to show you great recipe for Portobello Mushroom Burgers. It's a very healthy way to make the hamburgers and this is my favorite recipe. I hope you enjoy. I have 4 beautiful Portobello balls. I have to remove the middle stem. Actually, I don't throw away the stem, I will use it. Slice this, put it on the side. We don't want to waste this beautiful mushroom. I don't want to waste this, so I put it on the side. Wow, I love the mushroom. I love mushrooms. Next, pour some oil. Black pepper for taste. Salt. And I have thyme, and garlic cloves. I like garlic, so let's go 2. Very nice flavor. Next step, I will bake a portobello mushroom till the mushroom is soft. See the juices will be almost ready. Looks like portobello mushrooms are pretty soft. Now next part I will put the cheese. Next step, you can use any yellow cheese you like. I have this one, so I will use this. It's like a Parmesan Romano cheese and Asiago together. Be very nice combination. We'll keep this in oven that the cheese is melt. Put a little bit on the steam. Put in oven till everything is melt and mushroom will be ready to serve. The portobello mushroom is done. Now I will slice this, start making burgers. I'll make the small slices. Today I use for my Portobello burger Ciabatta Rolls. The first part, mayo. Lettuce. Portobello mushroom. Next part, avocado and a little bit onion. A little bit mustard. Portobello burger on ciabatta roll looks so tasty. Thank you again for watching and I'll be back with new recipe next week. Please like, share and comment on my new recipe and maybe subscribe. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.